This is a Raspberry Pi 4 Model B with 1 GB of RAM, running RetroPie. And as you can see, there are no ROMs on it. I'm going to turn it off with the GPIO switch. And this is a P-Cart with Nintendo 64 ROMs. Going to load that into the P-Cart reader. Turn the Pi back on. And we will watch it load up N64 ROMs from the P-Cart. RetroPie is always very slow to boot. And you can see right there we've got our N64 ROMs. I can even boot up Banjo-Kazooie straight from the P-Cart. You can put as many ROMs as you want on a single P-Cart, or as few. I don't have any speakers set up. There's no speakers built into the monitor here, so there's no sound. But if you're piping your Raspberry Pi out to a TV, you're going to get sound. Right there, Banjo-Kazooie is playable. Now if we want to switch to our PlayStation P-Cart, we're going to shut off the Raspberry Pi with the GPIO switch. Take out the N64 cartridge, slot in our PlayStation ROMs, and turn it back on, just like a vintage video game console. And there they are, PlayStation ROMs. We can look through all of our ROMs, boot up Ape Escape, and it runs, again, right off the SD card inside the P-Cart. And finally, we get past all the DualShock analog warning screens and into the game. So those are working PC cartridges on a Raspberry Pi running RetroPie. On the inside of a P-Cart is this PCB I designed, which has a micro SD card holder. You slot in any micro SD card you have, all the way up to 2 terabyte SDXC, and it will run just fine at USB 2 speeds. I initially bought this 5-pack of 64 gigabyte SD cards from Micro Center over a year ago for 30 bucks. You can see on the label. I just checked recently, and that's around $50 to $55 depending for the same pack these days. You know who to thank for that. There it is, working P carts.